Welcome to Dominican Republic. Stop right now. Before you drop hundreds of dollars booking a short excursion like I did for your Puerto Plata cruise stop, you need to watch this video. Serious question. Why did no one tell me that Taíno Bay is basically a full-scale luxury tropical resort built right onto the cruise deck? I am talking a massive pool, a swim-up bar with a live DJ, a literal lazy river, monkey encounters, and incredible street tacos, all without ever leaving the port. Today, I'm showing you why Taíno Bay is officially one of the best sport days in the entire Caribbean and why your best excursion strategy is to book nothing at all. Let's dive in. Now, I'm not saying the excursion that I did wasn't fun and I did not enjoy it, but I would have rather spent that money on something else. The moment you step off that cruise ship, you are walking straight into a full-blown tropical resort that is pure, unadulterated vibes from start to finish. I'm not even exaggerating when I say this sport is literally built for you to stay put and have the ultimate beach day without spending a single extra dime on transport. First off, you step out onto this pristine boardwalk surrounded by lush Dominican palm trees, reggae and bachata music blasting in the distance, and the energy immediately hits you. It is electric. You walk a few steps and you're greeted by a massive resort-style pool complex with a swim-up bar that is constantly pumping out cold cocktails, local Presidente beers, and tropical slush drinks. But it gets better. They have an actual lazy river running right through the port where you can just grab an inner tube, kick back, drift under small bridges, and soak up the sunshine with the DJ keeps the energy high all day long. If you want to relax, there are tons of free loungers, day beds, and shaded spots scattered everywhere around the water. So you don't have to fight for a place to chill. And for my animal lovers, they literally have interactive wildlife encounters right inside the port area. You can walk up and hang out with capuchin monkeys at Monkey Island, check out the macaws, or visit the Stingray Lagoon. When you get hungry, you don't even have to leave to find good food. There are street taco spots, Dominican grill stalls, and casual seaside bars serving up fresh ceviche and empanadas right there on site. You can spend your entire morning floating in the lazy river with a drink in hand, grab lunch by the water, hit up the open air market shops inside the port village for handcrafted souvenirs and Dominican rum, and then dance your way back to the ship without a single care in the world or the stress of rushing back from a 4-hour bus tour. Taíno Bay is an absolute hidden gem of a cruise port, a complete 10 out of 10 experience, and easily one of the best sport days you can have in the Caribbean without ever leaving the dock. Honestly, Taíno Bay completely blew my expectations out of the water, and it proves you don't need to spend extra cash to have an unforgettable day in port. If you find this guide helpful, hit the like button. Drop a comment down below letting me know if you'd stay at the port or explore the town. And don't forget to subscribe for more cruise tips, port tours, and travel reviews. Until next time, keep exploring, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.